guys, today we're gonna teach you how to make any kind of JPEG into a sticker. So the first thing we need to do is open up Safari. And we go to Google. And we're gonna look for any kind of picture. So let's see, I'll do Bumblebee, and then an SVG tends to have more of a clear background, so it's easier to clean up in design space. So I'm just gonna pick let's just grab a nice easy one, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna screenshot. We're gonna take a screenshot of it. Oh, that's not gonna be big enough. So we're gonna try that again, making sure we make one that's big enough. And then we're going to go over to our Cricut design space and start a new project. We're going to upload an image. I'm just going to drag and drop it from my side over. And this one we're going to say it's a little complex. Yeah, moderately complex. And so now we're going to go ahead and erase the background. And then if you need to, you can zoom in. Zoom out, make sure you get everywhere you need. So you have the whole thing. And now we're going to click continue. And we can save it as a print and cut, so it would look like this. Or we can save it as just a cut image. We're making a sticker, so we're going to do a print to cut. So this is our sticker. We're going to go ahead and insert it into our canvas. And then shrink it down to the size you want. Now I like to put a white circle behind my images so that I don't have to deal with cutting out all the way around the image. Since it's your preference, I like if I leave it as a circle. I find it's easier for my children to put on things, and then for me to take them off when I'm sick of them being there. So I just adjust it how I want it, and then I highlight it all, select all, and I click flatten. And this makes one perfect little sticker, and it's all in one place. So then you click make it, and you can put as many as you can fit on one page. These ones are quite big stickers, so you can only get 4 to a page. If you want to make them smaller, see, these ones are a little over 3 inches. I find if they're under 2 inches, you can get close to 12, if not more, on a page. Yeah, and we can get 12 on one page. And then you go ahead and click continue, and then you click send to printer. And then I The adding the bleed or not adding the bleed, if you're doing it where you're just cutting out around the outside of the picture like that, you would want to add the bleed. Since we're just doing circles, you don't need the bleed per se, so I'm not going to. And then I'm going to click print, and it'll send it straight to my printer, and then we will come back and connect our maker and then let it cut it out. Okay, we're printed out and our maker is connected, so we're going to set our material. Typically, if you're using printable vinyl, you can just type in printable and it comes up as printable vinyl. There's also iron on and whatnot. I am just doing regular copy paper for this because that's what I'm doing. And then you just load it into your machine. Make sure you have the right tool in it and click go. And when your machine is done, you'll end up with 12 perfect little stickers.